Hello friends, let's draw a simple car and learn few sentences about car. Come, let's get started. Follow me as we draw the car together. We have to make an oval-shaped body first. Leave some space for the tires. Okay, let's draw the tires now. Let's make the upper portion of the car now. Let's give some final touches like adding the door handle and the indicator lights. Our simple car is now ready. Let's add some colors. Now let's learn few basic sentences on car. This car is green in color. It also has blue, orange, violet, red, and black colors. It has 4 tires. It runs on the road. This car runs on electricity, so it's an electric car. We should always wear seatbelt inside the car. We should always follow the traffic rules.